of honor, Ms. Juhi Chawla Mehta, can we have you take your seat on stage? Our very special guest this evening, Mr. Neechar Israni. Please join us on stage. Dr. Mohan Bhai Patel, member of the Global Awards Advisory Committee. Mr. Chandar Mangnani, Trustee, Triyanashri Academy. Mr. Niranjan Hiranandani, Chairman, Triyanashri Academy. Please take your seats on stage. Okay, I know all of you are very excited to see Juhi over here. She's not going anywhere. She's going to be here with us throughout the program. Please put your hands together for Juhi Chawla Mehta. There is a lot of commotion here. I know that place is a problem, but I would request you all to stop the chatter at the back so we can listen to what is being said on stage. Please pay attention. She has something very, very important to share with all of you. Yeah? Thank you so much for your cooperation. A very, very good evening to the extremely kind, the wonderfully wise, our respected Vice Chancellor Saab Deshmukh ji, the lovely, lovely gentleman, Mr. Rupani ji, the ever charming and ever so eloquent Mr. Hiranandani ji, Mr. Israni, Mr. Patel, Mr. Mangnani, a very good evening to all of you. And ladies, gentlemen, and lots of young people. Lovely meeting all of you. Namaste, thank you so much. रूपानी जी ने मुझे कहा कि आज ये शाम ऐसी है, यहाँ पर हेड्स ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस होंगे, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स होंगे, तो तुम आओ और अपने कुछ बातें हैं, कोई एक मुद्दा है जो मैंने आजकल इस पर काम शुरू कर दिया है, तो he said come, here is an audience, so speak to them about it. तो आज मैं आपसे प्लास्टिक्स के बारे में बात करूँगी. अब आप सोचेंगे ये क्या बात है, प्लास्टिक सुबह से शाम तक आप इसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं, मगर इसके बारे में हम जानते कितना है. तो आज मैं कुछ आपको दिखाऊंगी, समझाऊंगी. So why am I speaking to students and to heads of institutions? Why do I think this is important? Because we do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. And in 2014, the Supreme Court said, the Supreme Court observed that unless we examine a total ban on plastic bags, the next generation will be threatened by something more serious than the atom bomb. The third one. Before we go to the third one, How many of you drink water from plastic bottles? How many? Please, hands up. सबके हाथ ऊपर जाएंगे and okay, think about this. PET bottles, which are the soft drink bottles, your sports drink bottles, your ketchup, sauce bottles. Assuming that the company does its best to give you the best water inside that bottle from the factory. Now from the factory, when it is being transported to, जब तक दुकान में आता है, वो कैसे आता है? It comes loaded on trucks in tempos. These trucks and tempos are not AC. They are traveling in the heat sometimes. Sometimes we can. Our normal average temperatures are 40, 42, 45 in the north. These bottles travel in those open trucks and tempos exposed to heat. So when they are in the shops, every shop is not AC controlled. Many are stored in dhabas and small shops in the heat. So what happens to these chemicals which are used in the plastic? They start leaching out and they come into whatever it is that you are consuming. Polystyrene, मुझे बताइए कितने सारे लोग हैं यहाँ पर जो वो थर्मोकोल की प्लेट्स में बर्थडे पार्टीज पे खाना खाते हैं या खाना देते हैं. जो पॉलीस्टाइरीन की प्लेट्स हैं आपने ज़रूर देखी होंगी, थर्मोकोल की प्लेट्स. बहुत सारे लोग इसे जानते हैं, बर्थडे पार्टीज पे, वेडिंग्स पे, कहाँ नहीं इस्तेमाल होता है. That polystyrene can leach styrene. This is a suspected carcinogen, especially in the presence of heat. कितनी बार हम अपने बच्चों की बर्थडे पार्टी पे गरम इडली सांभर उसके ऊपर डाल के बच्चों को दे देते हैं. But we don't think, where did this plate come from? What is used in the making of it? So, let's go back to fact number 1, that this plastic that is being made, it never goes away. 300 million tons of plastic every year is being manufactured. It is everywhere. It is in the lakes, in the oceans, in the rivers, and it is on the land. In the lakes, in the rivers, what is it doing? It is breaking up into smaller and smaller bits. It's never going away. Those bits are again leaching the chemicals that it was made with into the water. Your water is getting poisoned. When it is in the landfill, and we have mountains of landfills outside of every city, all this toxic chemical is coming into your soil because the sun is shining, the rain comes down, the wind breaks the plastic, and these chemicals come into your soil, and from there it goes into your water. So that way your groundwater is getting poisoned. And of course you can join us. All the children, kids, big kids, small kids, join us. Spread the word. Tell people around you about it. And let us be the ones to make that change. Let us be the smart, clever Indians that we always were. We always lived in an eco-friendly way until we got into this kind of use and throw culture. So let's throw that culture away and go back to our culture. And yes, we must do this because I think we owe it to the children. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. So thank you everybody for listening to me today.
Thank you for being here, Juhi. You're doing a phenomenal job. I know whatever cause you take up, you make sure it gets done. So I'm sure this is just the beginning of great things to happen. Dr. Deshmukh, thank you once again for joining us this year. I think you're part of Priyadarshini now. You know, we can consider you to be part of our organization. Thank you so much for being here once again. The Academy is indeed very fortunate to have the highly charismatic real estate tycoon, Mr. Niranjan Hiranandani, as its chairman. He's the co-founder and managing director of the Hiranandani Group. And by the way, he recently completed his doctorate, so he is now Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani. Please welcome him to the audience.
Good evening, friends. It is actually a great honor to have the Vice Chancellor of Mumbai University, Mr. Sanjay Deshmukh, with us. He's made a paradigm of Mumbai University. People worried about how to spend 50 crores.